Spending whole day in the hotel room is very hard for me. So thinking to explore the city for you guys. दुनिया में दो किस्म के ट्रैवलर्स पाए जाते हैं। कुछ सोलो ट्रैवलर्स होते हैं जो अकेले ट्रैवल करना पसंद करते हैं, और कुछ मेरी तरह के ट्रैवलर्स होते हैं जिनको कंपनी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं सलाला अकेला आ गया हूँ और होटल रूम में बैठे बैठे बोर हो रहा था। सोचा मैं निकलूँ बाहर एक्सप्लोर करूँ। चलिए आपको भी सलाला का फूड स्ट्रीट दिखाते हैं।
This name is Snams.
Yeah.
In Saudi you have two.
Why?
Same the chair. You know?
Salalah is the home of thousands of camels. These wild animals do not care whether cars are coming on their way. Whole family is going. In Khareef season, villagers bring their camels back from mountains to the plains. Salat is everywhere. After roaming around in the city of Salalah, now we have decided to visit the food street of Salalah. Let's go. This is called mozabi and this is made of camel meat. Camel shawarma. This is the first time I'm gonna try this camel shawarma. Camel meat shawarma actually. Here I will show you some very old and traditional way of cooking meat, especially camel meat. I have tried this before, the grilled chicken. The taste is very delicious here. ये वाला ऑर्डर दिया वो वाला। Here you can see how traditionally the meat is being cooked. Before cooking any food on these pebbles, the workers wash these pebbles with water. In Salalah, the most famous food street is Ittin food street. Here you can order the whole lamb. The good thing about this food street is that the meat is cooked in front of you. You order from this front desk and they will cook in front of you here. Wow, it smells very good. We have ordered some camel barbecue and it is being ready here. These pebbles are replaced after one round. It means that they will cook one whole food here and they will replace these pebbles. Our order is almost ready and they will serve within 5 minutes on our table.
making YouTube video. Hey, Baba, eat. तुम याद करते भी नहीं उनका दूध बहुत बढ़िया हाँ सभी वीडियो शो हुआ क्या बन जाता सुपरमैन क्या हुआ बोला तेरे छोड़ दो
Their mandi with grilled chicken is the most recommended dish here.
I also asked him. Then I asked, will he say, this week I cannot go, let's go next week. I said, yes.